How do you make most of your day as a solo online entrepreneur? As a solo online entrepreneur, it's very easy to get distracted. You're probably working alone at home, and since you're working from your computer and also have your phone close to you, the possibilities to get distracted are endless. You have things like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, video games, Reddit, Twitter, Netflix, and even adult websites. There's no shortage of things you can do to distract yourself that in a way are more enjoyable and pleasurable than just working, at least in the short term. So that's the constant struggle. I started my entrepreneurial journey when I was around 17, and I'll be honest, managing my attention has always been a challenge. At different times, it's been different things. Sometimes in my life it was Reddit, others YouTube, others video games. One thing that I've come to realize is that managing your attention and having a productive day is more of a mindset than not controlling your distractions. The beliefs you hold about what's important in life will be the most important thing when it comes to dramatically increasing your productivity and efficiency. But how I got to change my mindset took a long time. And yes, I did start by trying to cut out distractions, by blocking some of these websites or apps, either temporarily or partially. But a lot of times I came back to them. For me, what truly changed it was the mindset, thinking about regret and thinking more long term. The same way you're now looking back in your life and you might regret not putting more effort or energy into some project you were working on back in the day, the same thing will happen again in the future. A lot of times I think about how my future self will look back on what I'm doing now, and I imagine my future self guiding me and telling me what I should do with my time right now. This works for me because I've realized when I indulge in short-term pleasure with these websites, apps, or video games, it's because I'm thinking short-term. I'm just thinking in terms of today or this week. If I try to connect with my future self, as weird as that sounds, and then try to perceive what I'm doing today through my future eyes, it's much easier to do what I'm supposed to do. And here's why. Because working today doesn't benefit me today, but working today does benefit my future self from 1 year from now. Because for the most part, most things you work on don't have an immediate effect. It's like this YouTube video. I didn't make this YouTube video in a single day and got the rewards of it the same day. No, it's a multi-day process. One day I wrote the script, another day I recorded the voiceover, another day I edited the video, another day I published it on YouTube, and then over time views come in slowly and the channel grows a little bit because of it. It is objectively a good thing that I made this video over a long time scale, but not necessarily a good thing today. There's no reward today for me doing this video. Same thing goes for my other projects. I don't have any project that can reap benefits on the same day. I understand if you're doing online trading or something like that, you could. But if what you're working on takes some time to build, launch, test, improve, then you're on the same boat as me. And maybe the perspective shift that I took a while back could be helpful to you too. That's why I said it's important to connect with your future self. I know it sounds like hippie stuff, but if you can try to connect and feel something by understanding that your future self in a way is real, that you'll be there, then you can feel good about working today, even if there's no rewards on the present moment. Because you can borrow some of that satisfaction from your future self, from a job well done, and the potential rewards that will come of it, or at least the satisfaction of looking back on it and being proud that you did what you were supposed to do. Which is another important point. Not everything you'll do will work, but you can still be proud about it. There's things I did in the past that didn't work, but I'm proud and happy that I tried. So you can borrow that too from your future self. Now, I understand that you might want some more practical stuff, and I'll give it to you, but I just wanted to share that first because I think it's something that has really helped me, and I don't hear much people talk about it. Yeah, some people talk about thinking long term, but what does that even mean? For me, doing it this way really helps me to actually do it. Now, practical things that I do that really help me, if I had to boil it down to one, it would be to put my phone away. I work with my computer, but if I have my phone laying around, it's going to be a constant distraction. So I just put it in a drawer far away from where I work, and that's it. And no notifications on. The only way my phone could make a sound is if I get a call. The text and all that won't make a beep. And what about my computer? I've done some stuff to maximize my productivity and it works really well for me. I made another video that should pop up on the screen now, talking about the best 5 Google Chrome extensions to maximize productivity and not get distracted. So go check that one out.
Now, you can try to figure out how to make money online on your own, but if you want to go straight to the right answer and learn literally the best method that exists out there as of right now that's helping complete beginners go from $0 to $1,000 a day without any previous experience, click the link in the description to sign up for this week's free workshop and you'll learn how you can start earning a sizable income online as fast as possible. So click the link in the description now.